Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to create perfect photo collages using ChatGPT. First, gather your favorite photos. Choose images that tell a story together. Now, ask ChatGPT for collage ideas. Input a theme, like travel or family. Review the suggestions. Select a layout that best suits your chosen images. Customize your collage. Adjust sizes, add filters, or write captions. Finally, export and share your masterpiece with friends or on social media. Tip 1. Keep harmony in colors. Use a consistent color palette for cohesion. Tip 2. Mix shapes and sizes. This adds dynamism to your collage. Tip 3. Embrace space. Don't overcrowd, let images breathe. Tip 4. Add text for context. Captions enhance storytelling. Tip 5. Experiment. Try different styles and layouts to find your unique touch. Remember, practice makes perfect. Have fun with your collages.